Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to do fast salon nails, and we will do some super fun quick design as well, perfect for summertime that is approaching. And please, as per usual, to make my day better, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. And let's jump into it. Okay guys, so I will start with the natural nail preparation. You have a video of mine already uploaded in depth about what I'm doing now. So just making the free edge shorter. And let's start to do the prep. So I took the bit that looks like this. This is small titanium bit. You can use cone-shaped bit as well, or this one. Again, more in-depth video about the full preparation is already uploaded for you guys. If you watch it, please leave it a thumbs up. Now mattifying the natural nail. Now it's time to apply our preparation liquids. So as well, you have all this in depth in my other video, but now I'm just applying the hydrators. Now it's time for our base gel, and today I will actually be using from Truscada Violet. This is a tester pot, but this is a builder gel inside. Okay, and I will use it as my base gel today. So super small amount and super thinly. Okay, I'm gonna do all 5. Okay, and we will now fully cure that in a lamp. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start to apply the nail form for the almond shape. Okay, so I will just continue to apply the nail forms. Alrighty, so now we have our form application, and I will start to apply my gel. I'm gonna be using Glam Lac Professional Polygel. This is a Russian brand, so unfortunately if you are in Ireland you cannot buy it here.
Okay,
so just dipping my brush into cleanser, and I will start to stretch my gel out. Again, there is a video all in depth about Here you will see me pinching the nails. You have to make sure that the product is not fully cured and that it's not soft either. So after 10 seconds, if you have UV LED light. When client is in the lounge and you don't, because I'm doing just 5 fingers for this video. I don't have another hand to work on, so I'm just... This is a blooper, please don't put this in the video. Every time when I do something silly, because I think he's not recording, it ends up in a video, so... And I'm like fighting, don't put that in a video, oh my god. And every time it ends up in a freaking video, so... But anyway, so when you don't have anything to do, how do I spend days in quarantine? Filming YouTube and thinking about when this will all be over, how I want to go back home to see my family, to see my friends, because I haven't been home in a while. And yeah, just thinking about future courses that I want to take, because unfortunately, as it is now for this year, it was just impossible for myself to take a course. I do like online courses, but not when it comes to technical things. So, and I want to go on a few courses for some crazy shapes and all. So for all of that, I think I need to be in person with my educators. So hopefully when all of this is over, I will have the time, they will have the time, and I really look forward to that, because not going on a course, and it's already been what, almost half a year, it really does not make me happy. I love to learn and I want to learn as much as I can, so yeah, hopefully I will be able to do that, and hopefully you as well, if you're planning some courses maybe, or they got cancelled, or maybe some competitions as well. Oh yeah, and I'm thinking about competitions as well, a few categories that I want to compete in, what should I do, and stuff like that, all the fun things that unfortunately have to be put on the side for a while now. Okay, I will take the nail forms off. Make sure you pull them down, don't go up. Make sure you don't have some fluff here. Make sure it doesn't go to the cuticle. Okay, next one. Just when you work with polygel, if you work with all 5, just make sure that the balls don't run. So if you see them sliding, just pull them back up, especially on the thumb there. Control your brush. Make sure your brush is not wet and make sure that your brush is not dry. When you dip your brush in cleanser, always clean it onto paper towel and then continue to work. If you feel that your brush is sticking to the product, then you need more cleanser. If you see you have too much cleanser, then please dip your brush back onto paper towel to clean the excess. Now I will start with the filing technique, and let's file those babies up. Okay guys, so as you can see, we did oval / almond salon shape. Usually when the nail is longer, I like to go a little bit more pointy. When it's a little bit shorter, for me this is short, when it's a little bit shorter, then I like to do a little bit more oval. Okay, so now we will do some fun design. That will probably be another video, or maybe it's gonna be in this one. We will see how it goes with editing. But if you have some questions about what I just did, please ask me. I would love to answer. And let's start with design.